Attention Galaxy fans, the colors for Samsung's Galaxy S25 series just dropped, and they're nothing short of breathtaking. Ready to see what shades will make your next phone pop? Alright folks, it's that time of the year again. I'm talking about Galaxy S series leak season. Just yesterday, a leaked Unpacked teaser confirmed the big day, January 22, 2025. Mark your calendars because that's when Samsung will officially unveil its Galaxy S25 lineup. But hold on, the excitement doesn't stop there. A new leak from the legendary Evan Blass has revealed what we've all been waiting for, the official colors of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Let's dive in. Galaxy S25 and its S25 Plus colors: blue black, coral red, AC blue, mint, navy, pink, gold, silver shadow. Galaxy S25 Ultra colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium jade green, titanium jet black, titanium pink gold, titanium silver blue, titanium white silver. At first glance, this lineup might seem massive, but as usual, some of these shades will likely be exclusive to Samsung.com. For example, the stunning pink gold, jade green, and jet black. Variants are rumored to be online exclusives, while the rest could form the main color palette for retail. Interestingly, Samsung is going all in on blue this year with 3 different hues for the S25 and S25 Plus: icy blue, blue black, and navy. But there's a catch: no violet in sight. It seems Samsung is leaning into trendy blues for 2025. As for the previously rumored sparkling colors like sparkling green and sparkling blue, they're nowhere to be found in this latest leak. It seems Samsung has opted for subtler, classic names this time around. What about the devices themselves? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stay true to its premium roots with a titanium build, integrated S Pen, and flat edges. It's set to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite and a camera system that builds on the incredible performance of its predecessor. With the leaks piling up and a launch just a month away, excitement for the Galaxy S25 series is through the roof. Whether it's the bold new colors, cutting-edge hardware, or Samsung's knack for surprises, these phones are shaping up to be the talk of 2025. Which color has your heart? Are you team titanium or loving the fresh blue vibes? Let us know in the comments. We want to hear your take. Now let's talk about some previous Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks. If you are a regular viewer, you can skip this video here, and if you are new here, watch this video till the end. We've seen countless leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but today's might just be the most credible one yet, thanks to a major case manufacturer. Leaker Jukan Lusriv has shared a picture of a Spigen case designed for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and given Spigen's close ties with Samsung, it's likely the company has been briefed on the phone's design well ahead of its official launch. This latest image lines up with previous leaks. The quad-lens camera arrangement mirrors the one on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with the only noticeable change being slightly more rounded corners. While the design isn't groundbreaking, after all, we only get a glimpse of the phone's back. It adds more weight to the idea that previous leaks were on point. While Spigen is a trusted brand, there's always a chance this could be a fake. However, given Jukan Lusriv's solid track record for accurate leaks, it's highly unlikely that this image is anything but the real deal. Leaked accessory images reveal a circular pattern on the Galaxy S25 case labeled MagFit for MagSafe, indicating support for MagSafe-style wireless charging. But there's a catch. The Galaxy S25 series won't have built-in magnets, meaning no magnetic power profile or native support for Q2 wireless charging. Instead, users will need to buy a special case to enjoy magnetic wireless charging. Meanwhile, wired charging speeds remain steady, with the Galaxy S25 supporting 25 watt and the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra delivering 45 watt for those who crave faster charging. Stay tuned as we unpack more details on Samsung's flagship lineup. Bigger RAM, bigger power. In other S25 news, leaker YF Bishik HD has revealed that both the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will come with a hopping 12 gigs of RAM in their base models, which is a significant upgrade from the 8 gigs offered in the Galaxy S24. This isn't the first time we've heard this rumor. Other sources have hinted at the same, but with multiple confirmations, it's looking more and more likely to be true. You might not have to wait long for official confirmation. Finally, the first official teaser for Samsung Unpacked has dropped, revealing the Galaxy S25 launch date and a hint of big surprises in store. Samsung fans, the wait is almost over. The first official teaser for Galaxy Unpacked has leaked, courtesy of Evan Blass, confirming the Galaxy S25 series launch date. Mark your calendars. January 22, 2025, because that's when Samsung is set to unveil its latest flagship lineup. While the venue isn't officially revealed, it's expected to be held in the United States, likely in San Francisco or San Jose. The teaser hints at some exciting design changes. Samsung seems to be ditching the sharp, boxy design in favor of a flatter middle frame with slight curves, reminiscent of the iPhone's design philosophy. Redesigned camera rings also make an appearance, differing between what's likely the Ultra and Plus models. The mystery fourth model. The teaser features not 3, but 4 devices, sparking rumors about the Galaxy S25 Slim. This thinner, sleeker model is expected to pack the same power as its siblings, but could have a staggered release, potentially launching in Q2 next year between April and June. Samsung Unpacked 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting launches yet. Are you ready for the Galaxy S25 lineup? Let us know your thoughts on the possible 4th model and the design changes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious flagship yet, poised to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology, the S25 Ultra is ready to make waves. Let's dive into the rumored specifications that have been buzzing in the tech world. Design. Samsung is swapping the traditional aluminum frame for a titanium build, enhancing durability and premium feel. Paired with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both front and back, the S25 Ultra also retains its IP68 water and dust resistance. Display. Prepare for an immersive experience with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. With Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a pixel density of 505 ppi, and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, this display is set to deliver unmatched clarity and smoothness. Performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it promises next-level performance with a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon NPU, and an Adreno GPU. Combined with a Snapdragon X80 modem, expect blazing fast connectivity and edge-driven efficiency. Memory and storage options. 12 gigs of RAM / 256 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 512 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 1 TB storage. Cameras. The S25 Ultra is gunning for the title of the Camera King. Main camera. 200 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, OIS, and adaptive pixel technology. Ultra-wide 50 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Telephoto. 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, OIS. 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical quality zoom with adaptive pixel sensor, up to 100x digital zoom. Front camera, 12 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 80-degree field of view. Video recording, 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery and charging. The Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging, ensuring all-day power and quick recharges. Software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra will receive an unprecedented 7 generations of OS and security updates, future-proofing your investment. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, Type-C, dual SIM/eSIM support, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.